great to see you today. I'm actually going to start off somewhere different because the numbers look really, really strong. You look like you're back in some way. Would you disagree then with James Bullard, who told CNBC yesterday that we are still in the pandemic tunnel? It looks very much to me like your business is one of many which has passed through that tunnel and is on the other side. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I would say we are still clearly in a pandemic situation, but as you have highlighted, we have been able already last year to have very solid results, and now that the situation is kind of stabilizing, we can see also how the earnings power is back. And as you said before, our operating profit is significantly higher compared to the last year. And what is also important is above our run rate for the year. So, and this is driven by all segments. So yes, sure, we are still in a pandemic situation, but I think we have adjusted to it. And now we can see that even this kind of environment, we can deliver very, very good results.
As a company, at a human level, at a German, European, global, I can see what you're saying, sir. But in terms of a performance level, I'm going to politely disagree with you. I mean, I'm looking at this number here. Annualized return on equity amounted to 16.7%. The full year 2020 was 11.4%. You don't hit those kind of numbers if you're amidst a crisis. I mean, that is a very strong figure, sir.
Yeah, I would say definitely the figures are very strong, but think about that. In our travel insurance, we can do more profit compared to what we posted this quarter. This applies also to our credit insurance. So there are definitely areas where we are not back to the normal level of profitability. On the other side, definitely there are strengths in other part of the business, but I wouldn't say that we are completely back to the level of before the pandemic. But definitely the situation is way better compared to what we had 6 or 12 months ago.
Giulio, one of the issues for the industry, I think, for some time has been this glut of capital. And I just wanted to tap your brain on this one, because the results here would suggest that in spite of that glut of capital in the insurance industry, you're still able to make a reasonable return. Can you give us a sense then of what we're likely to see in terms of margin pressure going forward? As Steve was pointing out there is still a lot of money around looking for a destination.
Yeah, that's more a topic on the property casualty side. We are not seeing a lot of flows of capital yet. It might come once there is a clear understanding that the businesses in the property casualty are doing fine. So I think we are almost there, that you're going to see more flows of capital. For the time being, we are seeing very strong pricing in commercial lines, and especially in the industrial lines. So that's a point, more likely of inflation, but there is still some way to go. But I expect that by 2022, we are going to see a moderation of prices increases in commercial lines.